Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're making rainbow ribbon rings for decoration or dancing. Ribbons in all colors of the rainbow, white pom-poms in different sizes, an embroidery hoop, and glue dots. First, you're going to take your embroidery hoop and pop out the center. If you don't have one of these, you can use any type of hoop or ring. You could make a big one out of a hula hoop, or make a small one out of a bracelet. Next, you're going to tie your ribbons to the hoop. We're going to start with your red ribbons and then go in color order of the rainbow. If you don't have ribbons, you can use party streamers, or you could cut up old rags. Make sure it's okay with your parents first so they don't yell at you and take away your screen so you can't watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, you're going to take your red ribbon and fold it in half. Then, you're going to take your ribbon and put it under your hoop. Next, you're going to make a loop at the top of your ribbon. Last, you're going to take the bottom ends of your ribbon and put it through the loop and then pull it tight. Make sure that it's secure so it doesn't fall off. Then you're going to do the same thing with the rest of your ribbons. I'm gonna do orange and just 5 more colors to go. Now I'm gonna do yellow. As you go, tighten and squish your ribbons closer together. Last but definitely not least, because it's my favorite color, is pink. you're going to add on white pom-poms of different sizes onto your hoop. So we have a blue sky, puffy white clouds, and rainbows coming from the clouds. I'm going to use glue dots to stick my pom-poms on the hoop because I don't have to worry about them drying. Or you could ask a grown-up to help you with hot glue. Now I'm going to start sticking my pom-poms onto the hoop. For the bigger pom-poms, you're going to want to add a extra glue dot in between the pom-poms so the big pom-poms stick to the other pom-poms. I'm halfway done. See how I've layered the different sizes of pom-poms on each other? Make sure you squeeze the glue dots and pom-poms together so that they stick. My finished rainbow ring! Thanks for watching! Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty week! Bye! Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty week. Bye. Bye. First, you're going to take your red ribbon and
Sorry.
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty week. Bye.